Before we go any further, I need you to hear this clearly because it could save you from losing your money. Tesla has not officially confirmed the Pi phone, also called the PY phone. No launch date, no pre-order page, no official pricing. This video is based on rumors, technical analysis, and logical reasoning, not official announcements. And one more warning right up front. I don't sell phones. I don't take deposits. And if anyone asks you to wire money, pay shipping fees, or share personal information, that is a serious red flag. Remember that. It's important. Why everyone is asking about this phone? Hundreds of you have sent me messages asking the same 3 questions. Will this phone actually work inside my house? Is it really true there's no monthly bill? And when can I actually buy one? I understand the excitement, but I also understand the concern. At this stage of life, most of us are done chasing hype. We want facts, not fantasy. We want to know what's realistic and what isn't. So today on InfoByte Network, I'm not here to promise you anything. I'm here to explain what makes sense, what doesn't, and how to protect yourself from scams. Let's start with the biggest question of all. Will a satellite phone work inside your home? This is the question that matters most. If you're buying a satellite phone that connects to satellites, you expect it to work where you live, not just outside. Here's the honest truth, and this applies to all satellite technology, not just Tesla. Satellite signals are strongest outdoors. That's physics, not marketing. Satellite radio waves struggle with thick concrete walls, brick construction, metal roofing, basements, high-rise buildings. If you live in a wood frame home with large windows, you may get usable signal near a window. But if you live in a brick house, basement apartment, or concrete high-rise, signal loss can be significant. In real-world testing, moving just 15 to 20 feet away from a window can mean the difference between full signal and no signal at all. This is why many viewers tell me even regular cell service is weak inside their homes, and satellite signals face even greater challenges. Can this phone replace home internet or a landline? Short answer, probably not. Based on how satellite systems work today, it's much safer to view a satellite phone as an emergency backup, a disaster recovery tool, a lifeline when towers fail, not as a full replacement for daily indoor communication. If you rely on consistent indoor calls for medical appointments, family video chats, daily communication, satellite alone may not be enough. But when hurricanes, storms, or power outages knock out cell towers, that's where satellite connectivity becomes priceless. Could Tesla solve the indoor signal problem? Possibly, but expectations matter. Most modern satellite systems require an external antenna or a receiver placed near a window that rebroadcasts signal indoors. This is exactly how Starlink works for homes. So if anyone tells you the Pi phone will work perfectly in every room of your house with no extra hardware, be cautious. Could Tesla develop better antennas? Maybe. But until we see real specifications and independent testing, the safest assumption is this: outdoor performance will be strong. Indoor performance will vary by building type. Why launch location matters so much? This indoor signal limitation actually tells us a lot about where Tesla might launch first, if this phone exists. Companies don't launch new technology where its weaknesses become deal breakers. They launch where regulations are friendly, construction types are favorable, hybrid satellite plus cellular coverage already exists, emergency connectivity is highly valued. That's why analysts often point to 3 states. Likely early test locations: California, Tesla's home base; tech-savvy population, diverse terrain and buildings; Texas, large rural areas, frequent storms and outages, strong need for satellite backup; Florida, large retiree population, hurricane-prone, many areas with spotty cell coverage; Early launches would likely be quiet and limited, not nationwide. If you see ads claiming available everywhere now, that's a warning sign. The 8-year battery and $199 price? Reality check. Two rumors keep circulating: an 8-year battery and $199 phone. Let's clear this up. There is no smartphone battery today that can last 8 years without degradation. Even unused batteries degrade over time. This is called calendar aging. A more realistic expectation? Slower battery wear, fewer charging cycles, emergency low power modes. That would still be impressive, just not magical. As for the $199 price, that number almost always means subsidies or contracts. Until Tesla confirms pricing, don't send money to anyone. Monthly fees, the cost everyone ignores. Even if the phone is affordable, satellite service is not free. Right now, Starlink home service is approximately $120 a month. Mobile plans are approximately $150 a month. Satellites cost millions to build, launch, and replace. Tesla may offer discounts, bundles, or promotions, but no company gives away satellite bandwidth for free. Plan for monthly costs. Anything else is unrealistic. Scam protection. This matters most. Let me say this clearly. There is no official Pi phone website, no authorized pre-orders, no approved sellers. According to the Federal Trade Commission, Americans lose over $5 billion to fraud, and seniors are the most targeted. 5 rules to stay safe. No official Tesla announcement, no payment. Never share personal ID or SSN. Beware of fake shipping fees. Trust only Tesla's official channels. Ask the community before clicking links. Being cautious does not mean missing out. Real products don't disappear overnight. Here's what you should remember. Indoor satellite performance varies. Monthly fees are likely. Early launches will be limited, and scammers are already active. If this phone becomes real, it could be powerful, but only if it launches transparently and responsibly. Until then, we wait, we watch, and we protect each other. Now I want to hear from you. What concerns you the most? Indoor signal, monthly costs, or scams? Drop your answer in the comments. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and stay with InfoByte Network. I've got a full series coming, breaking down rumored Tesla products with facts, not hype. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.